안녕하세요, 여러분. 할리 리뷰즈입니다.
Hey y'all, I'm Shammer and I'm here with my girl Sabrina, and we are Hallyu Reviews. Two Americans are swept up in the Korean wave as it reaches across the globe. We have a love of all Korean music. We're reacting to EXO, and I believe it's a concert, but it's White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love.
Yes, and we were warned that this one might get blocked because
True.
it is in Japan and it seems like a lot of the Japanese concerts do get blocked. However, we were given another link to the Korean version, but in the Korean concert, Kai is not present.
Oh, I love
So
Kai.
we're going to try this one and see if we're lucky enough to get it to be posted. We have done reactions by this poster before, and I don't remember if we had any luck with them, but this is 0112 Dio
Dio,
Dio
dio, dio.
Dio. So we'll see how this one goes. All right,
I
so
like that.
yeah.
Clever.
I have not heard any of these songs, and I haven't seen this concert footage before. So, and you said you don't think you've heard them either.
I know I've heard a couple songs. I don't know that I've seen the footage before.
So this will be a completely blind reaction, and it was. It is really late slash early in the morning. So we're unfamiliar with these songs. It is our first exposure to them, and we're really tired. So if we're not bopping along the way you think we should, please give us a little bit of grace. We're exhausted and unfamiliar. It's our first time through. So
And we've had vodka.
we have, but at this point, mine's completely worn off. I'm
Oh
just,
no, I'm still going.
so you should be bopping. Okay.
Yes.
I'm not probably going to be, but it's no reflection on this group or their songs. I promise. We've been wanting to get this performance recorded. So here we go.
Done. I like their light stick.
They have great.
They have such a cute light stick.
I like the all
I
black.
wonder how many songs Baekhyun doesn't start out. Body rolls.
I feel like I've heard the song actually before, or maybe just when I put this on the list. Like how they're facing different directions. It's cool.
They're facing different.
Yeah, for the audience.
Congratulations to Chen on his marriage announcement. Way
yeah.
to go. Wish you all the best, love.
Absolutely.
Or maybe wish you all the best, Chen.
That is a good. So is the stage like a? What was that? A pentagon? No. A hexagon. That's cool. Is it raining on them?
It looks like water.
But they don't look like they're getting wet. So I wonder if it's just on the outside.
Yeah, I think they're safe. Ooh, I wonder if this is the Kai Sehun dance. I think that's a special dance though. I don't know.
How are they not getting wet?
Because it's outside of them.
I know, but like
They're inside.
No, no. I mean, I get that part of it, but it's just blowing my mind. Is the stage that wide?
Is she in my bag?
I love the styling with the black on black.
Black on black. I love it because they look relaxed.
Yeah, they
Like,
do. really comfortable.
Yes. They're cute.
I hope this one doesn't get blocked because I like seeing Kai in it. White ones. Oh gosh, the water on the stage would make me so nervous.
But I don't think it stays on the stage. Don't they have like grates and stuff that it
They
falls
do,
into?
but I could still see some water like puddled there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, cutie.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sensing a rain theme here. Like now there's thunder, so this one's called Thunder. Although I don't know how Playboy and Artificial Love film fit in.
I think that's the most playful I've ever
Yeah.
seen you.
Ooh, I like this harmony.
Ooh. Okay, I'm not hating it. That is one thing I'll say about EXO. EXO tends to have more seductive choreography
Do they?
and more seductive lyrics within their music than I think some of the other artists.
너무 멀리 가버렸나 봐. 시간이 갈수록 너와 나 멀어져. 이미 넌 저 멀리 있어. 또 누군가의 빛이 되어 있겠지. 불빛처럼 아주 빨랐다. 우린 너무나 달랐다. 그 사이 시간의 차이가.
Maybe I'm just bewitched by that King and Kai. Maybe.
Well, that's cool.
Ooh.
점점 더 멀어져. 시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다. 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다. 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어. 지금 하나 둘 줄을 세며 우리 거를 잰다. Playboy.
Definitely heard this song before.
He's got that like devilish grin. There's no need to tell anyone, just the two of us. That sounds like a terrible line.
I mean, because they're, like I said, the choreography is very simplistic, but it's very, like, seductive as well. It fits you in the field.
Minor feels.
I was talking about the other field.
I just keep it G rated.
I was. PG-13.
There's a G in there somewhere. You don't want to lose me.
Like suggestive. Even cream soda, like cream soda.
That's
is
true.
very
Yeah.
suggestive. There was another one that we were talking about too. That was very suggestive.
That was EXO.
That was EXO.
He like really knows how to play to that camera
Yes.
and like smile at it. I was saying I thought I saw a cane on the stage. So this is Artificial Love. Oh, maybe it's
Artificial Lover.
that's what it said on there, but the title said Artificial Love. I think maybe I was mistaken.
You're doing dirty things to the canes. I'm just saying. I bet you there's a lot of people wishing they were a cane right now.
Nah, but it's Artificial Love.
Can't trust this. You got that 거짓 미소. 거짓 눈물. 거짓 사랑.
We've all known a person like that, y'all. Come on.
With the fake love.
Fake smile. What else? Ooh. Okay, see? I'm not mad at it, but like I said, there's a couple people wishing they were a cane right now.
I wanna play me. 내가 원하는 건 다 가진 너. 완벽하게 설계된 차가운
What's that shoe star?
Ooh.
I'm so
Sorry.
뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 말해. Can't trust this.
I know the truth in this life.
Fake smile. Yep. Fake teeth. Fake love.
BTS is a song called Fake Love. Must be a common theme.
Like I said, everyone's known a person like that before.
Oh. So do they use the same choreographer, I wonder? Like, so is that just kind of their choreographer style? Like a little more on the Baba Boomy? I wouldn't mind if they made it a little brighter.
I wouldn't mind either.
It's a little challenging to see them in this number.
You know, honestly, I kind of like it dark. It insinuates. You know.
Hard to see the movements though if you can't see them.
You know what it insinuates. So does the audience. Hey. I'd love to see some more Sehun. Where is he at? I haven't really seen him, and I thought he was. There he is. Oh, no. Who is their main dancer? Other than, I know Kai, but is that the only one?
I believe so. EXO-L's, you gotta let us know. Is it just Kai for their main dancer?
Oh,
Oh. Is this the one that you said you like?
is it?
So it's Kai, and who was the other one?
Sehun.
Sehun.
That didn't look like Sehun though. And it's
Oh,
in water, so no, this isn't it. The one I like is there in water. But this is hot.
this is the end of Official Love, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, they're blindfolded. They're gonna fall off. Oh! I can't watch that. Oh,
Is that Chen? No. Is that Suho? Who's the other one? Oh.
making that great again.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. That might be one of my favorite performances of theirs so far. I really enjoyed that.
I'm clapping.
Yes, you are. Final thoughts? It was nice. I liked it.
Do you really want my final thoughts?
No.
No.
Okay. That was a lovely recommendation. Thank you so much. Enjoyed that. I liked it from like the styling to the dance, the song selections. I liked how White Noise and Thunder, like they really tied together with the rain element, like the water and the thunder. And then Playboy and Artificial Love had that like sort of sensual, like a smoky and like blindfold kind of like I could see how they were connected. So I'm curious in their concerts, do they talk a lot? Because I mean, neither one of us has ever been to a concert, but from the few performances we've seen, they seem to of
Oh,
EXOs.
none of EXOs. Just kidding.
EXOs. So I
I was
don't
like, I think
know
they're
what
too.
their like. I don't want to say stage presence. That's not the right word, but like because they seem to just kind of flow to song after
It's
song after song. Like it's not.
what's their rhythm on stage? Like,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. That's what I'm. Do they typically do like the four song like how you said Stray Kids does like three, then they talk three, like um, I think with some of the other groups I've seen, it's like one or two with like stopping in between, but usually not quite so many together like that. So I'm just
Monsta
curious.
X would do a set and then they do solo. They didn't really talk a lot.
Yeah.
Uh-uh. I don't. Mm-mm.
Well, I mean, that could be, though you've seen them in the US and were they just not like, do they talk more in Seoul?
They talked some. I mean, they had a translator.
I bet
So
if I
good.
had to guess, I think EXO seems the same. Like, I'm sure they
Yeah.
talk as well, but they really seem like performance centric, at least from the performances we've seen. So very nice. Liked it a lot. What did you guys think? If you are fans of EXO or these amazing performances, make sure that you like and subscribe down below so that you can see more of them as they come out. And if you have any more recommendations for us, make sure you let us know.
This was an amazing performance. Like, I have all kinds of dirty thoughts that you just don't want to hear right now. And I can't share them with Sabrina because she's so innocent that I can't burden her with those thoughts of mine. But yeah, that was yes.
I'm not that innocent. I know what you're
Okay, well,
thinking.
I can tell you all the thoughts. Like, ooh, Kai, ooh.
I like his little devilish grin. Like
Yes. Rover,
we
Rover, come on over,
well,
baby.
it's
Come
interesting.
on.
I didn't get that feeling from the Rover video. Like
You didn't?
not like this. Like this was a very like sensual dance, and then he'd like look up at the camera and make like that direct eye contact that we talk about a lot with like Jimin,
Yes,
like when he
agreed.
deliberately looks at the camera. And I really felt it in this performance where he would be like
I
da, 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 and then like just like that, like oh no,
Ooh, and
you
that
didn't
cane, like
just.
the dancing with the cane, like
I didn't like the blindfold with the raised plat. Oh,
I'm okay with
someone.
it. Blindfold me anytime.
You're okay. No. I don't mind the blindfold. It was just, oh, someone's gonna
Blindfold
fall
me on a
off.
platform.
I like
I
my
can
limbs all in
stand.
one piece.
I can
So
stand. So do they. They're fine. They're professionals. They can handle
did
it.
we not just talk about oops, blowing out his ACL? I mean,
Did he fall off a stage?
I have no idea. He could have.
That's true. He could have fallen.
He could. I mean, oh, that my knee hurts just thinking about it. Okay, so anyway, OSHA people, OSHA.
I'm not gonna lie though, them canes, I'm sure there's people all over the world, not just me, who are like, I could be a cane right now and it would be okay.
I could be a cane.
I could be a cane.
Anyway, the harmonies were amazing. They never disappoint
They
in EXO.
never disappoint when EXO with the harmonies, and even the choreography was.
Oh, the choreography was really impressive because I know
I
viewers, fans of EXO have said that they, especially in the beginning, were not known for their choreography. Like some of them have struggled more than others, and so they've come so far in their choreography. So bravo to them. I don't know. Did we say when this was? I don't think we said. But it was. I thought you would never guess it from that. I
That's
thought the
true.
choreography on all four
I
songs
love
was
seeing Dio's
wonderful.
playful side with Chen because you don't see Dio being playful.
Yeah, that was really cute. Yeah.
Even when we did the what is it, where they're all standing together and they're singing
Oh, the Killing
the
Voice.
Killing Voice. Even
Yeah.
when we did
Yeah,
Dio
wasn't
was
he the one
very
like staring
stoic.
at? Yeah,
Was
like
very stoic.
wouldn't even look at the
He
camera.
did not look at the camera
Yeah.
once. He did not like smile. Then maybe that's just his personality. Like he just doesn't.
Maybe he had a bad day. We all have bad days.
Uh,
But you're just saying like he's not usually you don't see him
you
playful,
don't
so
see
that
him
was
very playful, and
really
so it was
okay.
really nice to see Chen kind of bring out that playful side of him. Good job, bravo, Chen.
And maybe that's that we don't get to see enough of
Were they
that with
playing rock
EXO.
paper scissors too? By
They
the way,
were, yep, they were, which
I
is
told
like
you,
it
rock
is.
paper scissors solves everything.
It really is like a K-pop, like it's how
It's
decisions are
life.
made. Like it just everything is rock paper scissors for sure. You see it with every group. So
I've already played it twice in my classroom.
I mean, I could see how it completely absolves anyone of any decision-making ability. It literally is however the cards fall. I mean, it's rock
So
paper
true.
scissors, but
One of my
so.
kids challenged me. I never lose a rock paper scissors. Oh, really? I never lose a rock paper scissors. Let's go. He lost, by the way.
Okay. I'm sure for me it's 50-50. I have no
He
idea.
lost.
I know that there is a strategy to it, but I don't even care enough to try.
You
So
always watch the hands. Watch their hands. I always watch their hands.
you get kicked out of Vegas. You
Why?
count cards, you watch hands. Those are things that you're not supposed to do in Vegas.
I'm a math teacher. I always look at the bets.
Yeah, yeah, you gotta be careful with that. If they realize you're doing it, you get kicked out. So
Oh, honey, I'm cute. You won't realize it.
do you realize the security that they have? You're on camera, like, oh my gosh. Yeah, so my husband walks out of an elevator calling me a side piece. I'm like, oh, great. Like, I'm gonna get arrested
Side
on
piece.
purpose in front of people. I was like, you're so dead.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. I'm like, they're gonna kick me out of the hotel for being a hooker. Like, I'm
At
his
least
wife.
are you a good one at least? Don't answer that. Just kidding.
He
And
took me to his
cut.
room, so
Hey now. You're a
I
good
didn't hear any
one.
complaints. So, anyway,
If you like drama, make sure you check out our Hallyu Reviews website, where we tell you which dramas to watch, must watch, or completely skip.
that's
Save the
right.
trauma of a bad trauma. Until next time, y'all.
Annyeong.
Annyeong.